Hi there, this is a quick video walkthrough on how to use the extra features of Optizen, which is in the Enterprise version. If you've got the Enterprise version installed, you're presented with this extra tag or tab called Variant Tagger. There are two features. You can sync variants as tags, and that allows you also to have the ability to use the variant image thumbnail matcher. I'll just talk about the sync variants as tags first. Always a good idea to back up your products first. If you don't know how to do that, come to products in your dashboard, select all, click export, and then you'll be able to download all your products via CSV or will be sent to your email. Then you can select sync variants as tags. A message will pop up saying the process is proceeding. And what that does, if we come to a product here, an example product in our demo store, we have our variants here, small, medium, black, red, for example. On this store, it's already been completed, and those variants have been added as tags. You can see here small, medium, black, etc. So now, having those variants added as tags automatically, we can leverage them with our SEO optimized tag pages within the Optizen app itself. The next feature is the variant image thumbnail matcher. First of all, I'll show you how this works. If we come to an example product here, you can see we have our main image, and that's the image it'll show up by default for this particular product. Then I've also added in a black color and a red color, just as examples. Then I've also matched those colors to the particular variants, which is what you would do in your store. And you can just do that via here, the edit section of each particular variant. So an example would be if you have a collection of red jackets, and this may be, a collection of jackets, and there's all different colors here. Some of them might be red, some of them might be black, some of them might be green, for example. In any case, we've added the correct image to the variants. Then once we have the variant image thumbnail matcher implemented, now if we'll come to the main collection first. I've got the product here added in the main collection, and you can see there is the main image thumbnail for this particular product. However, now though, if we go to the red tag page, we can see it shows the red version of this particular product. If we go to the black tag page, you can see now it shows the black version of this product. So now you can see that you can have dedicated pages for particular colors of your collections. So for example, as I was speaking about jackets, you could have all the black jackets showing here, and then have all the red jackets showing on this particular tag page. And you don't need to create new collections or new products or split products, which is what a lot of store owners will do to have pages such as this. Then you can use the tags feature here, and there's other videos on how to use the tags feature to optimize these pages fully for SEO. So you can have your unique SEO title, your unique description, unique H1 page title, unique description below the product grid, etc. But it gives you the ability to unlock hundreds, sometimes thousands of different pages and traffic for these highly relevant dedicated pages for color. You can also do the same for size, and you can also do the same for any other variants that you have for your products. But this is just a simple example on how you can leverage colors for particular pages. Now, to have this option implemented, you need to make sure that you fill in this form, and it'll just take you to the contact help section of our app. Fill in your name, your email, your myshopify.com URL. Add in here that you would just like the image thumbnail matcher installed. Click send. We'll get a message, and then we will walk you through the process how to do that. As each theme is different, we need to look at the best option to install on your store. As always, if you have any questions, you can also use this same form to ask any questions you have. Thanks, and I hope you get great results with the variant tagger feature of Optizen.